Long back seated arms on the chair. You're gonna start facing away from your chair. We're on one heavy spring. If your clients are super tight in their hamstrings and hips, you can have them sit up on a bolster or on a block, whatever you have accessible in your studio. You're gonna try to have extended legs. Again, they can always bend or hip distance or plant their feet if that helps with their posture. You're gonna reach your fingertips towards your glutes. Bring your hands onto the pedal. I would assist the pedal down for your client to help them get the pedal all the way to the floor. Feel the belly connect, open through the upper thoracic, your breastbone is lifted. Inhale, bending at the elbow. Tricep press, exhale. Inhale, find the length. We're trying to avoid anteriorly tilting our shoulder girdle. I'm feeling a huge stretch in my pec in the front of my shoulder girdle as I find my belly pulling up and off my thighs. Last two. One more. From here, hold the pedal down. You're gonna turn to face it, slowly release the pedal to protect their shoulder girdle. If you don't have the assist with a pole, I would teach that to start always pressing down, then turning, and then to dismount, bring it back around, to turn it around, to release. And that is our long back seated arms on chair.